Today I'm going to teach you how to find a user's email address on GitHub. This is particularly useful when you need to contact a contributor directly or verify someone's contact information for collaboration purposes. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to github.com. Once you're there, sign in with your credentials to access your account. Make sure you're fully logged in before proceeding to the next step. Now, navigate to the profile of the user whose email address you want to find. You can do this by searching for their username in the GitHub search bar or by clicking on their profile picture if you've interacted with them before. Once you're on their profile page, you'll see various tabs and information about their repositories and activity. Look over to the right panel of the profile page. Here, you'll find a section that displays their recent activity. In this area, click on Commits to view all the commits this user has made to their repositories. This is where the magic happens, as commit history contains valuable information that isn't always visible on the surface. After clicking on commits, you'll see a list of their recent contributions. Find any commit from the list and click on the View Commit Details button. This will take you to a detailed page showing exactly what changes were made in that specific commit. The page will load with the full commit information displayed. Now comes the crucial step. Look at the URL link at the top of your browser. At the very end of this URL, you need to add .patch. So if the URL ends with something like /commit/ a bunch of numbers and letters, you'll type .patch right after that final character. Press enter to load this modified URL. Once the page refreshes, you'll see a plain text version of the commit details. Look at the second line of this page, and there you'll find the email address associated with that user's GitHub account. This email is typically the one they used when setting up their Git configuration for commits. And there you have it. You've successfully located a user's email address through their GitHub commit history. This method works because commit metadata includes the author's email information by default. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.